Ronkonkoma is a hamlet on Long Island in the town of Islip in the state of New York. Ronkonkoma is located just 30 miles from where Charles Lindbergh started his historic journey and 20 miles from where the lunar lander was built. Our Diversity Award winner recognizes a supplier that is an inclusive member of this community. As a small woman-owned business, they are a company that models diversity. Tonight's Diversity Award winner is East West Industries. They have been delivering the crash-worthy crew chief seats on the Chinook program since they won the multi-year two-production competition contract in 2012. East West has worked closely with Boeing to develop and qualify the improved troop seats. The collaboration between Boeing and East West has kept the program ahead of schedule and positioned to deliver a quality product to our customer. They have attention to detail, open communication, and priority to Boeing programs. They are truly a team player. East West has had a perfect delivery record in 2017. This is a true testament to the dedication to the Boeing company and our customers. Our diversity winner understands we demonstrate through our actions many of Boeing's values, including diversity and inclusion. Ladies and gentlemen, our Diversity Award winner, East West Industries.
Teresa and I were here tonight to accept the award on behalf of the company. This award really belongs to our employees, the team at East West, who tirelessly, day after day, provides their expertise, ensures the quality of the product that we deliver, the on-time delivery, with the ultimate realization that it's not for just the company Boeing, but for the users of the product in the field. Thank you to our employees. Thank you to the East West team.
This is an exciting evening for the entire East West team. We are so excited to be receiving the Supplier of the Year award from Boeing. The wonderful comments that we heard from everyone that we met here at Boeing tonight. We've truly made an impact for the entire program and all the accolades that we received. We really want to thank the entire team of working tirelessly to really be able to make this achievement and accept this award. Most of all, the founding principals from Mary and Dom, Mom and Dad, thank you so much. You've created a great legacy here.